What's going on, guys? It's your average consumer, and I did a video where I said I think I found tech heaven, and that's in this place, Micro Center. Now, Micro Center was cool enough to sponsor today's video, and let me get a look back inside to see what's new. So, let's check it out. So here we are, and as you guys can see, there are a ton of different products here. You got gaming laptops, monitors, keyboards, Apple stuff. You got all kinds of tech here, guys. So we're gonna go and check out everything. But if you've never been to a Micro Center, you need to check it out. There's like 25 different locations across the country. So look up the closest one to you. I was really late in finding out about this place, and it's life-changing. So I'm just gonna go look around, see what we've got. Wait a second. HP has a laptop with a second screen. So this is crazy because I have the Asus ZenBook Pro Duo that has a second screen. This one looks like it does, but I'm not too sure. I don't see it working or anything. Which one is this? I'm gonna take the name down so that I can find out more about this a little later. I like the fact that laptops are getting these second screens. I think that's awesome. Now this, I don't know, have you guys ever seen this thing? HP Omen. It looks like a TV, but it's a display. So this thing has got 144 hertz refresh rate, 65 inches, 4K, 4 millisecond response time, VESA mount support, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, this thing is absolutely insane. It's got G-Sync, HDR, but it's kind of crazy that this thing is like right here. What? They got all kinds of gaming laptops. Look at this. This is a thick boy right here. This is probably the biggest gaming laptop I've ever seen. Wow. Is this the LG Gram? This is the 17-inch LG Gram. This thing is like crazy light. And the fact that it's like so big and so lightweight, I don't know how LG pulls it off, but this thing is awesome. I love this laptop. There's a lot of LG laptops over here. That's pretty cool. You wanna get a picture? Yeah, sure, let's do it. You watch the channel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. What are you here to pick up?
My dad wants to get a laptop.
Ah, good meeting you. And that's kind of what I like about Micro Center. Even the customers watch tech videos, they know their stuff. So it's just an awesome place to be. I love being surrounded by people who love tech as much as I do. And all right, so over here, we've got the monitors. Now, I've been wanting a new gaming monitor or monitors for the Ultimate Gamer's Paradise. I kind of want the Asus TG35 VQ. I don't know if they even sell it yet, but I'm gonna find out if they got it here. You guys have it in stock? How many do you guys have? Do you know? 2 in stock? That's dangerous. They're expensive. This is it. I didn't think they would have it, but they do. Okay, I gotta think about this before I make the plunge. I'm gonna go check out everything else. This is gonna hit me way too hard, way too early in this video. Let's keep looking. Oh, they even have like a Surface section. I am all about that Surface life. They have the Surface Pro X. All right. Let's look at some peripherals first. Let's see if there's anything I can upgrade the PC with in here. Oh, snap. Okay, this is from Corsair. Look at the lights. That's kind of cool. This is the Night Sword. Oh, and it has a cool name. I'm sold. RGB's got me. Let's see, printing stuff? They have a whole section for printing stuff. That's dope. I don't need that stuff. I'm gonna go in the keyboard section. Logitech has those teal boxes, man. I might be sold just on that. Oh, this is a pretty clean looking keyboard. Holy, oh, this is thin too. I love the way this feels. Are you kidding me? What is this? Logitech G815? This guy? Sold. And it doesn't even have a teal box. We got a mouse, we got a keyboard. Let's just build a PC. No, I'm just joking. That's gonna cost a lot of money. Oh, my section. This is where it's at, you guys, the backpacks. You see, there are like low-key backpacks like this guy over here. Then there are the really crazy ones with a ton of compartments, a gaming backpack. Like, what is this even? Like, who really needs this? Okay. What could you put down there? Charging bricks. I wish the top material were a little bit different. Oh my gosh, this thing can hold everything. Can I put my Nintendo Switch in here? Absolutely, I could. Yeah, we gonna make it work. And like the colors, like the little subtle blue, close enough to teal. I'll take it. All right, Jay, I need you to be honest with me. How big does it look?
It looks big, but looks kind of good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, sold. Who really needs this? All right, so we got our cart because things are starting to get out of hand. But look at this, it's crazy. Like we saw a Microsoft section and there's even an Apple section over here as well. Oh, you dressed for the occasion, man. You should be on camera.
How you doing, guys?
That's your dad? Yeah. There you go. Man, you made for the camera, man. Later. So we've got this set up in my office that needs some speakers, actually. U2, Kanto, yeah, they've sent some speakers to us before. I like them. Do we have anything in black though?
Something similar to the Kantos?
Yeah, like some bookshelf speakers.
The Hyperkin sound sticks. That's pretty much most similar in performance, but sound sticks better audio-wise. Personally a fan of those as well. So the Titanium 2s and I believe the 7s.
Yeah.
Are going to be better sound-wise, but again, if you're looking for something in that aesthetic, you'd have to stick with that.
Listen, dude, I appreciate your help. Thank you. That's awesome. What's your name?
Junior.
Junior?
Yeah.
All right, Junior. Thanks a lot, man. We'll figure out speakers some other time. That's not even really why I'm here. So keep it moving. Yeah. How's it going, man?
Good, bro. I don't want to ruin your video.
Oh, no, you're fine. You're fine.
Keep it going, bro.
Appreciate it, man.
Good, bro.
Thanks a lot, man. Surge protectors. Like, what doesn't this place have, man? If it's got electronics, they got it. They definitely have it. They even have camera batteries, Jay. From like the small, old school cameras to DSLRs. That's what's up. Man, I remember going through these sections when I was building my PC. That was tough times. It was tough making decisions, man, because there are so many parts. Oh, over here, we got Nintendo Switch accessories. They got a keyboard for the Nintendo Switch? And it holds onto your Joy-Cons. Like it has the slots and everything. You just throw your Joy-Cons in there. What do you do with this? Like when you're going in the e-store and you want to type in a game that you want to buy? I mean, it's cool that this thing exists, but for what? Are you serious? They have a battery for the PSP. I'm getting this. Oh man, do they have, and they have the chargers. Oh, let's go. I would never think that you would find this in a store. Oh, I cannot wait to turn on my PSP. I don't need controllers. Step away, Judd. You know you don't need it. Oh, snap, Jay, you see this? Microfiber gloves. Legit microfiber. I have a thing for microfiber cloths. I gotta get it. Oh, snap, Main Gear makes cases now, computer cases. Oh, this red one, look at that. Jay, check this out, man. This looks dope. My man is in the Matrix right now. Got the whole simulator going. Got the TVs, 4K HDR LG, 65 inches for $479.99. This is crazy. All right, Judd, relax. You didn't come here for a TV either. You got the routers, networking stuff. Oh, they got Dragon Ball Z playing in the theater area? I gotta say, this is pretty impressive because there are lights on right over here, but you can still see this thing really clearly. Oh, it's this guy. Oh, they got the smart home section over here. Have you guys ever seen this before? This is the Sengled Pulse. Basically, they're LED lights, but they have a built-in Bluetooth speaker. I covered this years and years ago on the channel, but it's kind of crazy to just see them starting to pop up everywhere. They got like a JBL speaker inside of it. Fire CUDA gaming dock. Oh, this looks cool. Customizable LED color and pattern. Oh, okay, so it's a hard drive, but you can put an SSD inside of it as well. All right, so I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna get the SSD while I'm here because we're in the perfect place for that. So let's see if we could go and knock this out. Awesome, thanks a lot, man, appreciate it. Let's see if they have the new Logitech, the 604, because we gotta get the one that you use changed. Ah, they have it. The G604, I've been using this. Now Jay's gonna be using it. We swap out that old one. So we've got mobile accessories over here. Don't buy another portable charger, Judd. Don't do it. Oh, look at this setup that they've got over here. I like this though. They've got their headphone stand, their mic. They got the Elgato Stream Deck. I should take a picture so I have ideas for my own gaming setup when I start streaming, whenever that may be. So we're not getting that Asus monitor we talked about, but I am gonna get this LG Ultra Gear gaming monitor. 27 inches, NVIDIA G-Sync. I think we'll be pretty much set with this. There we go. Ari's gonna kill me when I walk in the house with all this stuff. But this is what happens whenever I come here, man. Micro Center is no joke. I think that about wraps it up, guys. We've got more than enough stuff here. This should be pretty fun to set up. But that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks again to Micro Center for letting me come and take advantage of their entire store again. But like I said, guys, there are over 25 different locations. So if you've never been to a Micro Center and you love you some tech, this is definitely a place you're gonna wanna check out. Until next video, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy, girl, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace. Techie stuff.